Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2015 Hyundai Sonata Limited. Stock number B9790P. Only 25,000 miles on the Sonata. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Phantom black in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5, leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Rear outboard seats are also heated. Backup camera. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Pull the tab on either side allows the split seat back to fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. And very clean, as you can see. This Limited has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 26,000 miles. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, and there's of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, along with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror with compass display and home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Sonata has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 185 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a mid-size sedan. EPA average of 24 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 35 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.